Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna share with you my go-to flush makeup look, which is very easy and quick to do. Also, this is gonna look very flattering on Indian girls having medium tone brown skin. You just need to follow the steps that I'm showing you here, and once you practice, you'll be able to do this kind of makeup look on every day. So let me share this flush makeup look tutorial step by step, starting with applying moisturizer. This is a C vitamin moisturizer from Sugar Pop. This hydrates the skin, gives a nice glow to the skin, and moisturizes for a very long time. Then use a sun protection cream if you go out during the daytime. Nivea's 50 SPF Dry Touch Cream is really nice for me. It does not make my skin greasy at all and also protects the skin really nicely. In this set, you can use a foundation, but I, instead of a foundation, using a color correcting cream because it is as good as a foundation in terms of coverage. But I apply it only on the areas where I have pigmentation. That would be my inner corners of the eyes, sides of my nose, and sides of my mouth. And the rest of the areas of my face, I'll keep them bare. Because my idea of doing a flush makeup look or doing an everyday flush makeup look is not to cover my whole face with foundation. On everyday basis, I want to keep my face naked. I mean no foundation, but I still want to have a very even tone of my skin. So this peachy color corrector does that work for me. If you are a everyday BB cream girl, then you can do that too. Again, if you want to apply a corrector, a beige or peachy color corrector would be really good on Indian medium skin. When I use a brush to apply cream products, at the end of blending, I dab my face with a damp sponge to make sure my blending is perfect. For a nice looking flush makeup look, you need to apply a brightening concealer on the center of your face. If the center of your face is bright, it will look really nice when you apply bronzer on the sides of your face. So to brighten my face, I'm applying a concealer which is at least 3 shades lighter than my foundation. Or in my case, this is 3 shades lighter than my corrector. When that's done, now is the time to apply color to my face. The first thing that I'm gonna apply is a green blush. For a natural looking flush makeup look, choose a blush color which is not completely pink, neither completely orange. If it is a mixture of pink and orange like this one I'm using, that would look really nice on medium skin tone girls. We all know that for a flush makeup look, we apply a lot of blush, but not just any blush. The blush is supposed to be suitable for your skin tone. And here's my tip for applying a cream blush. Whenever you apply a cream blush on your cheeks, start applying with your fingers and then blend everything with a brush. Warmth of your finger helps melting down the product, and then with the brush you'll be easily able to spread the product on the area. And this is a step you do not want to forget while doing a flushed makeup look, is applying a little bit of blush on your nose. Apply the blush on the lower middle part of your nose and blend it thoroughly. The next step is essential, which is applying a warm tone bronzer on the sides of your face. I'm using Maybelline's Duo Contour Stick, which has a bronzer and a highlighter. I actually never found any other cream bronzer or stick bronzer as beautiful as this one. This bronzer looks really good on my medium skin tone. And by looking at my face, if you can understand, it also complements the blush that we previously used. The harmony of colors is the key to make any makeup look beautiful on your face. So here the rosy pink blush and the warm tone bronzer is really in harmony. The highlighter from the stick is a light champagne color, which also looks good on medium skin tone. I think this highlighter looks better than a golden or yellow tone highlighter. Finally, I'm dabbing the sponge once again for smooth blending. There should not be any edge of any of the colors we applied. I mean, the bronzer, highlighter and blusher should merge into each other nicely. When you apply a concealer near your eye area, you must set it, otherwise the concealer will settle into your fine lines or wrinkles. So here, only on the sides of my eyes, I'm applying a very light fine powder to set the concealer. The other areas of my face where I applied cream, bronzer, blusher and highlighter will be set with the powder versions of these products. Like here, I'm using the powder bronzer from Wet n Wild. If you have medium skin tone like mine, while doing a flushed makeup look, go for a bronzer which is warm tone having yellow undertone. There are some bronzers which have brown or red undertone, or some bronzers are very orangey. You can use them for other makeup looks, but for a flushed makeup look, try to use something which has yellow undertone. So here you can see that I'm applying a lot of bronzer on the required places, because applying a good amount of bronzer is essential to get a very beautiful flushed makeup look. Now for blush, you can see that I'm using a very straightaway bubblegum pink blush, but this is gonna look good because now we have applied the warm tone bronzer, and on the top of that, this blush will not look like a Barbie pink blush. It will look rosy, as you can see. Do apply some blush on your forehead and your chin as well. After blending everything, you can see that things are looking really balanced. Nothing is too orangey, too red or too pink. It just looks perfect on a medium tone brown skin. The next step is for applying highlighter, and I'm using a very subtle highlighter from Sugar. This is the exact same color of the cream highlighter I applied before. And you can see the highlighter really brings the look forward. Without the highlighter, this look would be incomplete. For my everyday brow makeup, I do not really do too much. I just apply a brow pencil to make my brows a little bit thicker and deeper in color. I sometimes also use a soap, but today I forgot. But if I use this Swiss Beauty's brow soap. But if I do not have much time to get ready, I just go away with this pencil only. I do apply a little bit of color on my eyelids, because you can see my eyelids are not very small actually. When I apply a color, they look big and the eyes look bigger. And generally I use the same blush to apply on my eyelids. It saves time because you do not really need to worry about which color you should apply on your eyelids, because if you apply the same blush, it will look good anyway. And as I said before, the harmony of colors that you applied on your face will make this flushed makeup look gorgeous. The powder blush I'm applying on the lower lash line. When you apply some color on your lower lash line and then apply mascara on your lower lashes, the lashes look much better. Here, to make my eye makeup popping, I'm using the highlighter on the inner corners. Now for my kajal, I'm using Sugar Pop's brown kajal. If you can, just get this pencil because the color is really nice. This looks really nice on medium skin tone. The shade is brown, but it looks more on the red side. And once you use this, you will forget your black kajal at least for a few months. With this makeup look, I use this pencil on daily basis because again, everything on my face looks flushed, pink and red. I think it looks really pretty. Let me know in the comment box, how do you like this look so far? Now for my lips, for lining, I'm using a fuchsia pink lip liner. And for inside, I'll be applying the same blush again. It is really helpful when you can multi-use one product, because when you are in hurry or you are doing an everyday makeup look, In that case, when you have less amount of product, you do not really need to spend time on thinking for the next product, and you can also apply the products with the same brushes. Do not need to use separate brushes for separate products. Now here with my fingers only, I'm using the blush on my lips. It is a matte blush, so now it is turning into a matte lip color. If you want, you can also apply a gloss. Now for my eyelashes, I'm using Sugar/Mauve mascara. This makes my eyelashes heavy and a little bit longer than they are. And I admit that only now, after applying mascara, my eyes look actually good. So that's how I do a flushed makeup look. The key is to apply some colors from the same category which complement your skin tone. But anyway, this look is finished now. I hope you liked it, and if you like this look, do not forget to hit that like button as well, and also subscribe to my channel to watch more of my makeup tutorials. Hope to see you soon. Bye.